Welcome to Learning Kids channel.
Can you guess what I am drawing? Let's draw a cute mermaid drawing. Along with that, let's see some interesting fact about them. Are you kids ready? Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful drawing with me. Let's see facts about mermaid now. Mermaids are half human and half fish. They have a beautiful human face and a shiny fish tail. Mermaids live deep in the ocean. They love coral reefs, seashells and underwater castles. Do you know? Mermaid tails change colors. Some tails sparkle in blue, green, purple or sometimes rainbow colors too. Mermaid love singing. Their sweet song travels through the sea like a magic music. Mermaids are best friends with sea animals. Fish, dolphins, turtles and starfish love to swim with them. And mermaids collect treasures. They keep pearls, shiny stones and shells in a secret place. Mermaids are kind and gentle. They help lost fish and protect the ocean. Mermaids have long and flowing hair. Their hair moves beautifully in the water like a waves. And now, our magical mermaid is ready to swim in the deep blue sea. Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful drawing along with me. And make this drawing more colorful. Hey kids, how is my drawing? Do you like it? If you like my drawing, story and coloring, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.